everyone, really excited. Today I've managed to get my hands on a brand new HP E45c G5 display. This thing is huge. Look at the size of this box. 44.5 inch, 113 centimeters diagonal. Can't wait to open it up and see what it's like inside. So let's check it out. One of the first things you notice when you open the box is it's all recycled cardboard. Meaning, when I need to get rid of this box, all of it goes straight into the recycle bin, and it's great for the environment and the future of the planet. The E45c comes with a huge range of connectivity. We've got HDMI, DisplayPort, two USB-Cs, two USB-A connections, but what I really like about this product has an RJ45 connection. Meaning, I can get rid of my dock, I can get rid of extra power, I can get rid of that extra cables running around my desk, I can connect everything straight into this monitor, and it's a clean, nice, hybrid office space.
So I've got the device set up on my desk now, and I have to say it's just an awesome screen. 5120 by 1440 resolution at 165 Hertz. It just looks fantastic. What I really love is that the stand is probably a third smaller than the S430C. This was really it's great. It doesn't take up a whole huge footprint on my desk. I've got my P15 poly camera on top, my HyperX Hypercast microphone, and it's just a great little setup. Single cable connection straight back into my EliteBook Folio. It has HP IEs, meaning that it's a true color, low blue light solution. And at the moment I've got it set up as a virtual dual display. What does that mean? Well, Windows is now seeing this single display as two separate displays. If I click on identify here, you'll see that this is 2, 3, and 1 as my displays. Why is this important? Because when you're in a virtual meeting and you share a very large wide display, it's a terrible user experience for the people on the other end. Here I'm able to have my PowerPoint presentation on one side, my notes and next slide's information here, and I can just share this one part of the virtual display. Really great for anyone that isn't in a lot of Teams calls, Zoom calls. It's a perfect solution for this. Another great addition to the E45c is HP Device Bridge 2.0. This allows me to have two different HP notebooks, desktops, whatever it is, connected to the device, and I'm able to go back and forth with a single keyboard and mouse, exactly like you would with a KVM switch. So on my right here, I've got Windows 11 connected to my Folio, and on my left is I've got my gaming machine ready to play the latest blockbuster. I'm able to use the same keyboard and mouse and switch back and forth between each device, being able to control with a single keyboard and mouse and having that functionality. You can even get to the point where you can start to transfer files between the two devices. Very quick, very easy. It is a great feature, great tool. So this is the E45c unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it, hope you got a lot from it. If you have any questions, please reach out to your HP account manager, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks very much.